Fix Autel's Topology Data Unavailable error fast. Must-know hack for auto technicians. Hey friends, if you're serious about mastering car diagnostics and love learning game-changing tools and tips, then you've just landed on the right video. This is your friendly neighborhood auto tech channel where we break down complicated diagnostic issues and make them crystal clear. Now, before we get rolling, let me hit you with a real talk moment. More than 80% of you amazing viewers watch our videos regularly, but haven't subscribed yet. So here's a quick challenge. Hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell so you never miss out. It's free for you, but for me, it's the fuel that keeps this channel running strong. Let's set a goal, 1,000 likes and 100 comments within the first 24 hours. Can we do it? I believe in you. So if this video helps you out or saves your day, smash that like button, drop a comment, and share it with your tech buddies or car community. And hey, if you're feeling extra generous, consider leaving a super thanks to support the grind. Let's jump right into today's hot issue. So you fire up your Autel scanner. Maybe it's the Ultra, the MS909, or any of the advanced MaxiSys lineup. And suddenly, bam, you're hit with the dreaded Topology Data Unavailable error. Now I know that error feels like hitting a dead end when you're racing towards solution. But don't worry, we're going to walk through this step by step so you can fix it fast and get back to scanning like a pro. So what's really going on? This error usually means your device can't access the vehicle's network mapping. Basically, the data that shows how all the modules in a car are connected. Without it, your fancy topology graph just won't load. But why does this happen? Let's break it down. 1. Expired subscription. Let's start with the number one culprit, your Autel subscription. Autel devices rely on an active update subscription to fetch the latest vehicle topology data. If yours has expired, then your device is basically locked out from pulling that essential information. Solution? Renew your Autel subscription. It might feel like a pain, but trust me, it's worth it to keep things running smoothly. 2. Weak or unstable internet. Now here's a sneaky one, your internet connection. Even if you're connected to Wi-Fi, if it's not delivering a solid, consistent signal, things can go sideways fast. You need a download speed of at least 50 megabits per second to reliably fetch that topology data. Anything less, or if your connection keeps dropping, the download might fail halfway. Solution? Test your Wi-Fi, move closer to your router, or try a mobile hotspot with better speed. You'd be surprised how often this is the root cause. 3. Software glitches or outdated firmware. Sometimes, the software running on your Autel scanner is the problem. Over time, installations can become buggy or corrupted, especially if updates were interrupted. Solution? In extreme cases, a factory reset might be your best option. But this is super important. Back up everything first. Use an SD card to save all your diagnostic reports, logs, and settings. Then go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset. After the reset, re-update the device, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and try again. 4. Old vehicle models. Here's something a lot of people overlook. Not every car is created equal in the world of diagnostics. If you're working on an older model, especially pre-2010, it's possible that Autel simply doesn't have topology data for that specific make or year. Solution? In that case, it's not a failure. It's just a limitation of the database. You can still perform diagnostics. You just won't see the fancy topology graph. All right, let me pause and throw in a quick reminder. If this video has helped you understand what's going wrong with your scanner, or if it saved you hours of frustration, then hit that like button like your scanner depends on it. And don't forget, drop a comment below with your thoughts. Have you faced this error before? What fixed it for you? Do you think Autel should offer more offline functionality? Let's turn the comments section into a goldmine of experience for other technicians and learners like us. Oh, and don't keep this fixed to yourself. Share this video with someone who's struggling with the same issue. Spread the knowledge. Now here's my personal take. I honestly think Autel devices are some of the most powerful tools out there, but they could really improve when it comes to offline functionality and user clarity. This Topology Data Unavailable error shouldn't be a guessing game. They need to add better error descriptions so we know what to fix right away. But hey, that's just my opinion. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think Autel should improve first? Hit me in the comments and let's spark a real conversation. And before we wrap up, just a quick emotional nudge. If this content saves you even one headache, subscribing is the least you can do to say thanks. Hit that button, join the crew, and come back for more real talk diagnostic solutions. We've got more tutorials, reviews, and pro-level insights coming up. Thanks for watching till the end. And as always, stay curious, stay sharp, and happy diagnosing. Catch you in the next one.